So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook business page for beginners. Okay, so to create a Facebook business page is very easy. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, and I also tell you how to create an online brand. So guys, let's get back to it. So first things first, click on Facebook. And guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So first things first. So guys, it's really easy. So first things first, you can click from here, or the best thing is you can say manage pages or see more, and then you can click over here to create a page. As you could see, I have already a lot of pages. So to create a page is really easy. I'm just gonna show it to you. It's come over here. I always say get started with a business or a brand, and then you can just click started. I'm just gonna name it test 2 right now, okay, because I already have a page. You can write the category. So category for me would be or website. Okay, so if you have an online business, you can just choose website and then continue, put your page name over here. So I've already done it. So now once it's created, so you can upload a profile picture, which I'm gonna do right now. Just click on downloads, or maybe I can go in my folder thumbnails and I can upload this picture. And also, if you want, you could upload your logo. So if you come back to my YouTube channel, I've created a video on how to make a logo. So it's really easy. So you can upload your logo over here as well. Once it's uploaded, you need to upload a cover photo. So creating a cover photo is really easy. Go to canva.com, create a design. Just type Facebook cover, and then you can write, it's so easy, you can just write subscribe, Yavar Khan, and just delete this. I'm going to delete because some of them are paid photos, so I'm just going to delete. This one's hiding over here. You can just download PNG. So canva.com. okay, you can create your logo over here. You can create your Facebook cover photo. Once it's downloaded, upload a cover photo, click on downloads, upload this one. So now your cover photo is updated. So now, as you could see over here, subscribe Yavar Khan. That's done. And now, as you could see, I'll tell you what next you could do. You could invite your friends. You can just say invite. That's my photo. And then you can just click on settings. Leave this as it is. If you want to remove the page, you can click over here and remove the page. Show this to, there's age restrictions, but I leave this as it is. The next thing which is important is page info. So you can write your description. So for me, this is a demo page. You can add your phone number, you can add your website, demo.com. You can add in your email ID, demo@gmail.com, and then just save changes. If you want, you could put your address, your opening hours. If you have your privacy policy on your page, you can add that. And these are all the messages that you would get if someone messages on your Facebook fan page or your business page. These are templates and tabs. So basically what this is if I go on test 2, so the way it shows is home, post photos, the same way home, post photos. So you can rearrange if you want, but I'm going to leave this as it is. post attribution, let's go back, leave this as it is. Notification, leave this as it is. Advanced messaging, now leave this as it is right now, guys. For page roles, if you want to add an admin, or if you want to add your colleague or your friend or your family to manage the page, you can write their email ID, and then they can also handle the page, and you can give them access of admin, moderator, advertiser, analyst. So for me, as you could see, I am the admin right now. People and other pages, people who like this page, it shows and comes over here. You can connect your Instagram over here, featured. So if you like, so if you want to showcase some other page on your page, you can add those over here. Cross posting is not yet, so you can share. If you have another page as well, you can share your post on that page as well. And that's it. Page support inbox. If you have any questions for advertisement, for some issue, you can just send over here. These are payments. So if you do advertisement, all your payments would come here. So let's go back to the page. Very easy. If you want to add an offer, you can add over here. You're selling a website, you're doing some coaching, you can change the photo. You could put a banner from Canva. Very easy. Offer, a offer. So go back home, create a design, or you can just type offer. So you could see honeycomb offer or something like that. You're providing online coaching, you can provide offers over here, and you can rate your price, discounted item till what to what time. So it's really easy if you're promoting your own brand. So if I want to create a website, I could say 20% off for the brand for creating a website, and that's it. I'm just gonna discard the offer. If you want to add photos or videos, upload a photo, you could do it over here. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you want to see the insights, so let's say which post is performing really well, it will come over here. So currently this is my most recent post or my photo. That's it. So this is the analytics, page views, post, events. So these are all your analytics. If I click more, page quality, this is something new. So currently right now, you'll get a violation if you post something which is not as per Facebook guidelines. And inbox is where you'll get all your messages from Instagram direct. So if you connect Instagram, it will show over here. But now what am I gonna do is just gonna delete, because it's a demo. So I'm just gonna say edit, permanently delete, and that's it. Page deleted. I'm gonna click on Yavar online, my page. As you could see, how to create a WordPress website, very simple. I've not yet invited any of my friends. I just got one like. I just uploaded a video, that's it. As you could see me over here. So this is how you create a Facebook business page, and I've given you tips on how you could create posts. You could create viral posts from here. It's really easy, and you could do that. And one more, that's it, guys. I hope you really like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and also the free bonus I told you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is in the description. I tell you how you could make your online brand, and by step how you could create a website from scratch, and how you could optimize with the best SEO setting, with the best plugins for WordPress, and which will help you easily rank in Google. And thank you for watching.